Hi, Mark Johnson here. Today I'm going to give you something special, because today I'll show you how to make your own water pump using just a few pieces of PVC pipe and glue in under 30 minutes. No electricity needed. Faster and cheaper than it would cost you to rent or buy it. To make your pump, you'll first need these parts are similar. Basically anything that's hollow and safe for water use that you can glue. Don't worry, I put a full list of what you need down below. Next, it's a simple case of slotting your pipes together. Here I'm using a soldering iron to attach the pipes, but primer and adhesive will do as well. Take your 1 1/4 inch PPR coupling and attach it to the 1 1/4 inch female PPR pipe fitting, followed by your 1 1/4 inch PPR pipe. Then, attach your 1 1/4 inch female PPR pipe fitting and PPR teat together before attaching your 1 1/4 inch PPR elbow. After this, attach the 1 1/4 inch female PPR pipe fitting to the 1 1/4 inch PPR pipe facing up, like so. Place the short pipe into the middle hole of your T. Then, attach another 1 1/4 inch female PPR pipe fitting to what you just inserted. Don't panic if you need to cut it for size, it'll fit in the end. Here I'm also using oakum to help seal the pipe's joints while attaching a 1 1/4 inch brass nipple to the first part of the assembly containing the 1 1/4 inch PPR pipe. This is useful but not critical. Next, add the 1 1/4 inch brass valve with interior thread, like so. Attach your 1 1/4 inch brass nipple to the other side of the valve and connect the two assembly parts together. Place another brass nipple on top of the apparatus, like so, and fasten your 1 1/4 inch brass T non-return valve to the top front of the apparatus using another brass nipple, ensuring it flows in the right direction. Link your brass T to your 1 1/4 inch brass T non-return valve as shown using another brass nipple. Then attach your 1 1/4 inch brass T to your remaining 1 1/4 inch brass valve with interior thread using a brass nipple before inserting your final nipple into the top of your brass T. Attach your 1 1/4 inch brass non-return valve to the back of the apparatus and tighten up any loose bits. Once this is done, you'll need to cut a hole into your pipe cap to link your delivery pipe to your main system. Here I'm using a drill, but a saw will do fine. Just ensure you sand down any edges to guarantee it's a tight fit. This is where all the air pressure will be, so better sealed is best. Then arrange your tubes like so and put your cap on top and seal it with two 1 1/4 inch gaskets and strengthen it in place with a 1 1/4 inch brass lock nut. You'll need this to fit the pressure tank on top of your pump, preferably after a little greasing. Here I've secured mine to a wooden stand with brackets. This is useful but not essential. Next, all you need to do is link your system to an inlet. Replace the brass non-return valve with the MPT brass pump female checkfoot valve on top of the pump slash opening, and watch as clear water flows from your pump. Not bad. This pump has a 1:7 ratio of pumping potential. That means that for every foot of hydraulic head, it can lift the water about 7 feet. Or for each centimeter of head, it will lift the water 7 centimeters. The basic idea behind a ram pump is simple. It uses the momentum of flowing water to pump a relatively smaller amount of water uphill. To use a ram pump, you must have a water source positioned above the pump. You must also run a pipe from your water source to the pump, like so. The pump then has a valve that lets water flow through its pipe and build up speed. Once the water reaches speed, the valve closes. As it shuts, the flowing water creates pressure in the pump. This pressure forces open a second valve. High pressure water then flows through the second valve to the delivery pipe, which has an air chamber that lets it capture as much pressurized air as possible. This pressure then pushes down on the water. This in turn forces the water uphill. To prevent flooding if pressure falls, for example if you remove water from the holding tank, this triggers another valve to open, releasing the water. Pretty amazing, no? Happily, this is just one of many DIY projects you'll find in Survival Sanctuary, our latest guide to off-grid survival. That's why, if you haven't already, I'd strongly advise you pick up a copy. What's more, if you found this video useful, be sure to share it with a friend. Oh, and why not join us on Facebook? I found it's a great way to track down hard-to-find resources, discover new approaches from like-minded people, and to show off what you've built. Finally, if you'd like to see more videos, why not suggest something to build, either through Facebook or by using the Contact Us tab on screen now. In the meantime, have a great day. All the best, Mark.